This is a tutorial on how to map service area outcomes with core values. Log into eLumen at honolulu.elumenapp.com through your UHID and password. Make sure that your coordinator role is selected for your unit or area. Click on SLOs and Assessment tab. Click on the Curriculum Map tab. Now select Core Values and finally Context. This is a great example of mapping. On the left, you will have your service area outcomes, and on the right, you will have your core values. If you want to make a selection for a linkage, you click into the cell. If you want to remove that linkage, you click again and the cell is going to be blank. Like in this example, each service area outcome should be mapped to at least 2 or 3 core values.